Mums are just so time poor that they want to put a healthy meal on the table, but takeaways and packaged foods are way more convenient. They're doing the same old and they're stuck in a rut. I'm Wick from Wicked Wellbeing and I inspire and educate healthy eating. I help busy mums go from being time poor, overwhelmed and feeling guilty about putting themselves first to being in control, having a plan to follow and being okay about putting some time aside for themselves. Putting a healthy meal on the table is totally achievable. I grew up on a farm in Hawke's Bay and I spent a lot of my time in the kitchen. I am so passionate about healthy food and what you can create with fresh ingredients is just amazing. The people that I work with love that I'm saving them time and money, I'm doing the effort and the thinking for them, and that the recipes are tried and tested and that they work for their families. When I'm sharing my knowledge with my one-on-one clients or in my online membership, it's the aha moments that they have or the long-term changes that they make that I'm so passionate about. People like working with me because I'm a mum, I'm down to earth, I'm real, I don't put any gloss on it, and I'm going through the same challenges that they are, and I just want to make it easy for them. Exercise and healthy eating is a given for me, but I'm not here to look perfect or to make parents feel bad for the way that they're doing things. I just love sharing my knowledge about how to save time, money, and reduce stress. So if that sounds like you, there are a number of different ways you can work with me. You can have a look at my cookbooks, my online membership, my one-on-one coaching, or my weekend wellness retreats. I'd love you to join my tribe. Come on this journey with me and we'll do it together.